The 7th annual Deaf Camp meeting held at the Adventist Senior High School in Agona was a milestone of inclusivity and spiritual growth promoted by the Adventist Church in the northern region of Ghana.
The camp brought together 93 representatives from 6 deaf churches in the Ashanti region. Initiated in 2014, this tradition has become a beacon of hope, uniting the deaf community in a unique expression of faith. The theme, Love Begetting Love, emphasized fundamental virtues of the Christian faith, evident in the baptism of 14 individuals, including 11 non-Adventist deaf participants. The program featured a deaf choir and a drama team using sign language to convey touching messages of love and acceptance. Dedicated counseling sessions for deaf couples strengthened family bonds. A notable decision was made to host the next camp in Bekwai at the end of 2024. The collaborative efforts of deaf ministries leaders across various administrative regions underscore the ongoing commitment of the Seventh-day Adventist Church in northern Ghana toward inclusivity in religious communities, a powerful testimony to faith overcoming barriers and uniting hearts under the banner of shared beliefs, but above all, love and hope.